So, got my hands on INKin's brand new tattoo machine. It's called the Flexo. Comes in some pretty simple but thoughtful packaging. Matte black, magnetic. It's pretty cool. So let's take a look. Pop it open. You get a little bit about INKin, the company, the focus, what they're trying to accomplish here in the industry, which is pretty nice. You pop open the packaging and you get user guide in a few different languages. Let's run through. So when you actually get into it, what comes in the package, I got sent this pretty dope matte green machine, or the matte green version of it. So it comes with one battery, and then in the event that your battery runs out, if you only got one, as opposed to getting the dual battery package, if you have a power supply, they also give you an adapter RCA, so you can pop it off, stick that on, give you a cable to go with it, plug it in, power supply, you're good to plug it in, good to go. So you take it off, pop on the battery. So they also sent a charging cable, and I got sent one of their Revo cartridges. I actually use these. They're pretty amazing, super sharp, reliable. I've opened probably 20 boxes or something so far. Everyone's on point. They're pretty good. You got to check them out. They're also on INKinTattooSupply.com. So when you get into it, what's cool about this is whether you're deep in your tattoo career or you're just beginning or whatever, I think all of us appreciate something simple and straightforward. So that's definitely what this is. Press the power button, turn it on, and you have three buttons here: the power, to turn it on, up, down, so you can change incrementally like that, or if you hold it down, it'll change faster for you. Also, they have a mode, a dot work mode. Most of us are just used to, you run your machine. So let's say you're doing dot work. It would be consistently running, and then you're kind of doing this motion. But they have a pretty dope function. So if you tap it 3 times, the power button here, it does a dot work mode. So I don't know if you can hear it. It starts and stops at different intervals. So if you're doing dot work, you can crank it up when you're in this mode. 2, it goes a little faster. 3, even faster. 4, and then 5. It's, instead of it just constantly running, it's actually doing the dot for you, which is pretty dope. So depending on how fast you're moving, or if you're doing pepper shading or something like that, it's doing that motion for you already. So it just makes it 10 times easier. So you can control that mode when you're in it. I'll show you one more time. So just once, this is turn it on, and that's to stop it. 3 times, it puts you in that mode. So whatever dot work mode, the frequency, 1 all the way up to 5. And then you can go about your tattoo. So here, it's super simple. It's stroke adjustable. So if you hold the top band, and then right here where the arrow is, there's another section, just hold it, and then you can quickly click adjust from 2.0 to 4.2. So I usually somewhere between 3.7 to 4.2. The way that I tattoo, super straightforward for my hand speed, the pressure that I use. It seems to work out pretty well. It's all well-rounded. I can line and then switch to, I mean, from fine line, you're talking 06 3-round liner to, I use a 12 gauge 27 curved mag. Works out pretty well. And then easily adjust your machine as well after the stroke to how far the needle is protruding. And then when you turn it on, I don't know if you can hear that. Super, super quiet. Super quiet. It doesn't even feel like you're really holding anything. The weight on this thing is pretty nice. It's super solid. It feels well constructed. It doesn't feel cheap and plasticky. So yeah, that's a quick look at it.